And welcome to my beauty salon part 2. So today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup, my daily makeup routine, what I do on like the daily basis. So like if you wanna continue watching and you will see how I do my makeup. I will transform legitimately into a naked Mora, into a semi less naked or Mora. I don't really know. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take my favorite foundation, like 2 pumps, with my beauty blender. So you just have to like spend 10 hours beating your face so it's up to your standards. It's good enough. Now, I just conceal my face with some NARS concealer, you know? I just put it on my beauty blender, just dip it in, you know? And once that's good enough, we go into another concealer by NARS. And just put more on your face, because why not? You want to look more like a dead, washed up ghost. And more under the eyes because my bags are insanely dark. I just have really dark circles. It's very annoying. And I'm also gonna like run out of this concealer, so like you just have to like scrape it off the sides, and I just hit myself in the face with it. LOL. Oh my god. Okay, and we'll go with our beauty blender as per usual and just like lightly tap it into place to blend it out, you know? Now that our face is all set for life, we are going to take some Laura yeah, and we're just going to take this brush that I've had for probably about 10 years, dip it in and like tap off the excess. Just like that. I put way too much on. And just like put it all over your face because why not? Just like that. And now you're all set for life. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow and just, you know, draw my eyebrows on because I don't really, as you can tell, my eyebrows are already slang, so I'm just gonna make them a little better, just a little. just like that. Okay, now that we have our eyebrows basically almost on, I like to clean them up a bit with a Q-tip, you know. It's chill if you take off your foundation and such. You just take your finger and blend it in, because that's what I do. Because I am a professional makeup artist. And now I take this Gimme Brow by Benefit. I use the shade medium/deep, because I definitely have medium/deep eyebrows. And you know, I just kind of like comb them this way first. And then I kind of like just like brush them out. And lastly, I do the same thing. I clean up around my eyebrows one more time. And boom, the eyebrows are did. And now you slightly look a little more human, but you still look a little washed out. So what next I like to do is take this blush from Tarte. I got it for my birthday month at Sephora. And I really like it. It's a nice color. And I just apply it to my face. And my nose. Boom. What should I do next? I'm going to go into my contour palette by Kat Von D. And I take this really ratchet dollar store brush that I taped because it broke. Don't come at me. Oh, I forgot a step. First, what I do before I usually contour, I go in with my Hoola bronzer in the lighter shade because the other shade's too dark for me. And you know, I just kind of like go ham at my face. Just to give myself some more color because I'm kind of pale at the moment. But in the summer I get decently tanned, I'd say. I don't know. And you know, I just kind of put on my nose too because YOLO. And then go back with that contour and just like blend everything out. And then that's pretty much it. I'm gonna add some glow to my face because I'm looking a little dead still, so I need to brighten up my life. So I'm gonna use the shade Butterscotch because it's pretty simple. And just apply this. I just like apply it everywhere, you know. Just like that. Next up, what I do is I go into my Modern Renaissance. And usually tell myself I'm gonna go for like a natural eye look, but it's never natural. And yes, these eyeshadow brushes are dirty. I need to wash them. I'm just broken, can't afford them to get new ones. Or to get more, you know. Okay, that's pretty much all just about done. I'm just gonna take the shimmery shade and put it on my lid. Just like so. Next up, I generally wear eyeliner almost every day unless I take my time in the morning when I'm going to work and, you know, nobody got time for that, so I don't wear it then. But I generally wear it because, you know, it just makes my eyes pop. Now, my eyeliner is pretty much done. I'm gonna go into some mascara. Ain't nobody got time to curl eyelashes, so I used to, and then I just kind of like stopped. I don't know why.
Oh well. Okay.
I just got mascara in my hair. Alrighty. Now that pretty much I've got everything pretty much all on, I'm just gonna take this like natural nude shade of lipstick and just I really like this lipstick. It smells like chocolate. Okay, and lastly, take some a little bit more. So that is pretty much all of what I do on the daily basis for my makeup. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this look that I do on the daily basis. So like, I didn't really say what I was using on my face. I don't really know. I don't really remember. But if you want to know what I was using, feel free to ask, because I'm a professional and I don't really know. But if you like this, give it a like and subscribe if you want. So yeah, I don't really know. But you do you, and yeah. I like need to get my roots done. I might have dyed my hair a while ago. Ooh, fun fact. Staring at the blank page before you open up the dirty window. Boom, boom. I just don't know. So subscribe. I dare you. I dare you. You just got dared. You have to do it. You have to do it. I dare you to like this video. Yeah, no, you just have to. You just have to. You just have to. You know, I'm a motivational speaker, so like, you know, just do it.